Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hangover soup. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need a good quality broth, such as chicken or vegetable, to provide essential hydration and flavor. Include ingredients rich in electrolytes, like spinach or a pinch of sea salt, to help restore balance. Don't forget fresh ginger and lean protein like shredded chicken or tofu for a comforting, easier-to-digest meal that truly helps you feel better. Let's get cooking. Begin by gently sautéing finely minced garlic and fresh ginger in a tablespoon of olive oil for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, pour in 4 cups of your chosen broth and bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld for 15 minutes. Finally, add your cooked protein and any quick-cooking vegetables, like spinach or mushrooms, cooking just until they are tender and warmed through. Making this soup your own is easy and encouraged. For a little extra kick and metabolism boost, consider adding a small pinch of cayenne pepper. Boost the nutritional content by stirring in a generous handful of leafy greens, such as kale or bok choy, during the last few minutes of cooking. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley just before serving adds a wonderful, bright finish. Your comforting hangover soup is ready. Ladle it hot into a large bowl and find a cozy spot to enjoy. Take your time, savoring each spoonful, and let the nourishing ingredients work their magic to help you recover. If you happen to have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for another round of relief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.